Hi everyone, today we're going to get serious. Let's start with a few quick questions to get really deep. First up, what's a stock trader's favourite fruit? Give up? Apple. And what's a stock trader's least favourite fruit? Berries. And last one, I promise, why did the trader become a magician? Because they wanted to make their losses disappear. Terrible, I know, yep, but aren't dad jokes all the rage on YouTube at the moment? Seriously though, today in this short video, I'm going to be talking about the one essential element to become a successful and peaceful trader. This is something that I've learned from working with Gary Stone for the past 15 years, and also from helping other investors to get ahead in the markets. In my experience, it's not knowledge, skill, or talent. It's not intelligence, status, college education. It's not even impressive credentials that separate successful active investors from the rest. In fact, I found that a lot of the common theories about the market and what gives a trader or investor the edge, they often miss the mark. So what is the one essential element? It's not better fundamental or technical analysis, and it's not better data. It's a winning mindset with a focus on consistency and sticking to a plan. A winning mindset is essential for success in any field, of course, but it's especially important in trading. Trading is a really emotional activity, and it's easy to make impulsive decisions that can cost you money. We've all taken that trade based on a bit of gut feel or a tip from a mate that we knew we shouldn't have, and it ended up costing us money, haven't we? A winning mindset allows you to stay calm and focused, even when the market is against you. It allows you to stick to your plan, even when it's tempting to do something else. So how do you develop a winning mindset? Well, there are a few things you can do. Firstly, you focus on your process and not your outcome. Your process is primary and your outcome becomes secondary. Now, this means focusing on making good decisions that are part of your written plan, even if they don't always produce the results that you want. If you don't have a written investment plan and you're serious about your trading and investing, you need to do that right away. More on that in a moment. Secondly, you need to learn from your mistakes. Look, we're all human and everyone makes mistakes, but it's important to learn from those mistakes so you don't make them again. Even better, have a trading journal where you write down how you're feeling every time that you take a trade. Whether you're feeling confident, uncertain, or indifferent, what's going on in the markets, and is that affecting your mental state at the time? Then even if you make a mistake, you've got a record that you can learn from so you don't make that same mistake again. And thirdly, be patient. Success in trading doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, it takes effort, and it takes discipline to get your process and your mindset in tune with the market. Don't rush it. Take the steps that you need to take in order to become at peace with all the decisions that you make in all different market conditions. And of course, be consistent. Consistency is another big key ingredient for success in trading. As I was saying before, this means sticking to your plan even when it's difficult. It also means making your decisions based on your analysis and your data, not your emotions. It's your emotions that'll overwhelm you in the market and cause you to give up because every movement is right there in front of you to see every single day. It's right in your face. Those things that I just mentioned can help you become more consistent in your trading. Things like developing a trading plan and sticking to it. Your trading plan should outline your goals, your risk tolerance, and your entry and exit criteria. After all, a goal without a plan is just a wish. You want to set out a plan with steps marked out to be able to hit your goals, not just hope in your mind that you'll someday get there. You also should use a trading journal to track your progress. This will help you identify the areas where you can improve. Another thing you can do is find a mentor or a coach who can help you stay on track. There are plenty of people out there who have walked the path before you that you can learn from. There are plenty of books, YouTube recordings, and articles where you can get great learning material. In conclusion, developing a winning mindset and being consistent are two of the most important things you can do to become a successful and peaceful trader or investor. It's not easy, but it's definitely possible, and it's definitely worth your while doing so. If you're willing to put the time and effort in, you can achieve your trading goals. So if you're interested in learning more about how to develop a winning mindset and becoming a more consistent trader, I encourage you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, or register for our absolutely free, no credit card needed, 7-day Systemized investing challenge to check it all out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I wish you consistent, objective, and peaceful investing. Bye for now.